Like they just don't care. So I mean, if imagine if they send it to the email, they could just go on and log into the email and check their email whenever. Because everybody, nowadays everybody has a phone. But nope, they don't want to make it easy for you. They want you to catch a
Hi.
violation. What do you
Hi,
got?
sir. What
Oh,
is your full name?
5480280.
come
Okay.
again?
Are you Michael Maga?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. All right. So I'm Judge Surio.
What? Oh, it's buffering. He's happy to be there. Shit, he's on a good one.
You're here because you were charged with burglary, and this is your arraignment hearing. Okay. Public Defender's Office to represent you. You do have the right to remain silent. Okay.
Yeah.
And
Look at that fool.
I
That
am
was on a
going
sick
to
one.
release you to pretrial services. I'm ordering that you do not have any alcohol or illegal drugs. Do not have any firearms or weapons.
I have to go zoom
You
in
must
on
submit
this
to any monitoring or treatment that pretrial recommends or directs. Sir, I'm also ordering you're not allowed to have any contact with the victims, and you can't go to their residence. So you're charged with doing something to someone's mail. You can't go back to that house or talk to the people who live there. Do you understand?
Yes, I do understand.
I'm also going to order that you do not touch anyone's mail unless it's addressed to you, okay?
Okay.
That was it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So then, sir, your next court date is going to be on March 11th
Hey, don't be
at
looking at me
1:30
and
in the
licking your
afternoon.
lips. What's up with you,
But
homeboy?
that court date may change. So what I need you to do is I want you to talk to your attorney and talk to pretrial and do what they tell you to do. That way,
March for Washington.
sir, what? What did you say?
Washington State. March 1st for the Washington.
So
Do you know that?
your court date is going to be
Yeah,
March
yeah.
11th, okay? But I need you to stay, talk to your attorney and talk to pretrial so you know what you need to do, okay? Can you do that?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any questions for me?
Yes.
What's your question?
Question means March 1st for the Washington states.
So, sir, I'm gonna move on to the next case. You're gonna get released from custody. Make sure that you do everything you're supposed to do, okay?
Okay.
All right. Good luck, sir.
Damn it.
Where you going? I can go inside.
Up next on The Price is Wrong. I don't think he's mentally disabled. I think all the usage of those broken glass windows. Oh, we got another one. This was tripping hard too. I gotta
All
go
right,
and
so
zoom
what
in
is
again.
your full name?
Well,
All right, sir, you are here on a couple different things. First of all, you are charged with possession of a dangerous drug and possession of drug paraphernalia. Those are felony charges. On those
Arizona.
charges, sir, I am going to enter a not guilty plea for you. You have the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney. I'm appointing the public defender's office to represent you. Pretrial services tells me that you are in the highest risk category for nonviolent felony offenses. The state is asking that I release you to pretrial services. I am not comfortable doing that given the risk assessment and the fact that he has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cases in Tucson City Court, and he's failed to appear on all 8 of them, and those are all just from the last 12 months. So I am going to set a bond, but I intend to set a low bond. Defense counsel, do you want to be heard?
Your Honor, I'm so sorry. Yes, if the court's not inclined to place into pretrial, we are just asking for and asking that a steps hearing be set with the preliminary hearing date still within the next 10 days.
All right.
Yep, it is Paris.
So, sir, I am going to set your bond in the amount of $1,000 secured.
Close your eyes,
If you
Cha-Cha.
post that bond, you're released to pretrial services. No alcohol or illegal drugs, no firearms or weapons, and you must submit to any monitoring or treatment that's directed by pretrial services. Your next court date on this is a steps hearing on February 26th at 9 o'clock in the morning. Sir, it's very important that you appear for that hearing. If you appear for that hearing, you may qualify for a diversion program or a better plea in exchange for doing some treatment. But if you miss that court date, then you're going to lose that opportunity and they're going to indict it and treat it like a regular felony. Sir, I'm also setting a preliminary hearing on March 3rd at 1:30 in the afternoon. That court date is very likely to change. If you're released from custody, stay in touch with your attorney and with pretrial so that you know when your court date is. Okay, sir, in Tucson City Court, you have charges of shoplifting, possession of drug paraphernalia, failure to appear, shoplifting, drug paraphernalia, criminal trespass, shoplifting, 2 more counts of failure to appear, shoplifting, failure to appear, possession of drug paraphernalia, 2 more counts of failure to appear, criminal trespass, shoplifting, and failure to appear, criminal trespass, shoplifting, and failure to appear, and criminal trespass, shoplifting, and failure to appear. Sir, on those cases, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea for you. You have the right to remain silent and the right to an attorney. I am appointing the City Public Defender's Office to represent you. I am setting bond in the amount of $500 secured. If you post that bond, you are ordered not to go back to the incident. And you cannot have any alcohol or illegal drugs. Sir, you do have the right to be present at all future hearings. If you fail to appear, a warrant could issue. You could be charged with failure to appear as a separate criminal offense. You could be tried and convicted in your absence, and if you couldn't be sentenced within 90 days because of your failure to appear, you could lose your right to appeal. I'm required to tell you that if you're convicted of a crime, it may have collateral consequences, including but not limited to immigration consequences. Sir, in City Court, your next court date is a video review on February 28th at 1:45 in the afternoon. If you are released from custody before then, your court date changes to March 24th at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Sir, I know that you're not feeling very well right now. Please make sure that you read the paperwork that you get when you're feeling a little better so you know what's expected of you, okay? All right, good luck, sir.
So somebody asked, how come they don't wait until he feels better? It's because by law, he has to be seen by